Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. This is now the 18th video on my 2009 Jeep Wrangler, and in this video I'm going to be showing you where the OBD2 diagnostics port and fuse box is on my car. So first off, we'll start with the OBD2 diagnostics port, and for that we're going to come over the driver's side, or in this instance the right hand side of the vehicle. Just down above the pedals here, this is your OBD2 port. Now there's a really good app for this if you're going to use one of the Wi-Fi scan tools that uses your phone, and that is called JScan. Now for the fuse box, Jeep have made it nice and easy on this car, and they've just installed one fuse box, so all the fuses are actually underneath the bonnet. So obviously we're just going to go ahead and open up our bonnet. Now mine is the model that actually has the key lock as well, so I'm just going to go ahead and unlock that. Then with that open, you can just flick it open, and there's a lever, just pushing that to the right and then lifting it up. And with that up, we can now put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With the bonnet now safe and secure, we're going to come over to the right hand side of the engine bay, and you will see your battery. Just below that is this black box. Now this is your combined fuse box. So all we're going to do is just squeeze the two tabs there and there, and that actually opens up our fuse box, and the fuses are actually listed on the lid as well for reference, so hopefully you can see them. I will also put up a computerized diagram for you. So that's the fuse box and the OBD2 diagnostics port and a 2009 Jeep Wrangler JK. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.